Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the cooking session of Ramadan transmission brought to you by Pingu's English School and Eureka School System. I am Umar and today I'll be making chicken cheese pockets. So now let's see the ingredients which you need to marinate the chicken. First, we need half kilograms of chicken, minced meat. There's red pepper, ginger garlic paste, salt, a little of soya sauce, some vinegar and oil. So now for marinating the chicken, we're going to add a little of salt according to your taste, some red pepper, ginger garlic paste, spoonful of soya sauce, and a teaspoon of vinegar. And then we're going to mix it well. Now the chicken is marinated, mixed well, so now we have to marinate it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now the chicken has been marinated, so now we're going to prepare the filling of our chicken cheese pockets. First of all, we're going to pour some oil. The flame has to be on medium. Then we're going to add the marinated chicken we have. We're going to cook it until it changes its color. It has to become a little whitish kind of meat. As you can see, the color has changed. So now we're going to add a little of chili garlic sauce to add some more taste and make it a little saucy. And then we're going to mix it again. Now our filling is prepared, so we have to set it aside so that it can cool down before assembling. Now the next step is that we're going to prepare a flour paste so that our pockets can be easily assembled. For that we have all-purpose flour. You can take 2 tablespoons and then we're going to gradually add some water to make a thick paste of it. I think 3 tablespoons of water would do well. First we're going to mix it. Stir dry, so we're going to add a little more water. Now our paste is ready. As you can see, it has to be a little thick in consistency. Alright, so now the last step is our assembling, and for that we need some samosa sheets. This is mozzarella cheese, the filling which we had already made. This is cheddar cheese, some onions. You can even use some capsicums or cabbage, whatever you may add. And this is the flour paste we have made. So first of all, we're going to take one samosa sheet and we're going to add the flour paste on it on the center, just a little bit and then we're going to put the second sheet like here. It has to be a plus shape, and then we're going to add our fillings. First of all, we're going to put the minced meat which we have prepared. Make sure the minced meat is cold, otherwise the sheets may get soggy. The next is we're going to add some onions. You can add capsicums and cabbage and whatever you want to. Then this is the mozzarella cheese. Some of the cheddar cheese, and then we're going to start folding it. A little bit of the paste. Make sure you fix it properly. It has to be assembled very neatly. Side. And the last. And there we go. Our chicken cheese pockets are ready to fry. It has to be square shaped. So I have prepared a few of the pockets, and now we're going to fry them. I have already preheated the pan with a little oil, and the flame is very low, so that if you put these in the oil, they're just going to start frying, and we have to make them a little golden brown. We're going to flip them around. And we have to fry them for around 5 minutes so that they become golden brown from both the sides. So now our pockets are fried, and we're just going to take them out. We're going to drain the oil. And serve them in the serving plate. So here our chicken cheese pockets are ready. Now let's see how it turns out to be. I hope you all can hear the crisp of it. And there you go. Our cheesy chicken pockets are ready to be eaten. I hope you all liked this recipe. Do try it at your house and let me know how you liked it. Jazakallah khair.